Hello everybody, how are you my lovely kids? It's our time with the math lesson for today, and our lesson for today about shapes. Again, we will study shapes again? No, today we will study the 3D shapes. The last time we studied the 2D shapes, but today we will study the 3D shapes. What are the 3D shapes and how can we know them? These are some of the 3D shapes. You can see them here. It's like cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, pyramid, cylinder. Okay. 3D shapes can be solid or closed like this, and can be hollow like this. Why do we name them 3D shapes? It has 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions, they are height, width, and length. Height, width, and length. Can you see the arrows? Height, width, and length. Okay, these are the 3 dimensions for the shapes. Okay, and also we have some technical terms about the 3D shapes. Every 3D shape should have surface, face, base, edge, or side, corner, or vertex. Okay, every 3D shape should have these things. So what are these terms? What is the surface and what is the face? What is the base? Let's see. The surface is like this, the outer the outer part of the shape, the outer part of the shape. This is the surface. Okay, so this is the surface, and also this is the surface. Okay, so it's called surface. The the face of the shape. This is a face, and this is a face, and this is a face, and on the other side we have 3 faces also. Okay, another thing, it's a base, the bottom face of a 3D object. The bottom part, it's called a base. Here is the base, and here is the base. Another thing, it's the edge or the side, the edge of the side or the side, the line where 2 faces met together. Okay, this is a side or an edge, and this is a side or an edge. This is an edge, and this is an edge. Okay, corner or vertex, the point where 3 or more edges touch. Okay, this is a corner, and this is a corner, this is a corner. Okay, and this is a corner. The cube has 12 corners. We will see them now. And our first shape today is the cube. Cube. It's a 3-dimensional shape. The cube has 6 faces. 6 faces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and here's 4. And on the bottom we have 5, and on the other side we have 6. So it has 6 faces. All of them are square. Okay, it has 12 edges. 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and on the other side we have another 3, so they are 12, and 8 corners. 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. This is the cube. Okay, can you think of any objects which are the shape of a cube? Let's see. This is a cube, and this is a cube, a cube. All these shapes like the cube. Okay, the second shape with us today is the cuboid. It's exactly like the cube, but the face of the cuboid like a rectangle. Okay, like the rectangle, but the face of the cube is square, but the face of the cuboid is rectangle. Okay, the cuboid also has 6 faces, 8 corners or 8 vertices, and 12 edges, like the cube. Everything like the cube, but they are different in faces. The faces of the cuboid are rectangles, but the faces of the cube are squares. Okay, let's see some objects that looks like the cuboid. These are some shapes of the cuboid. The next shape is called cylinder, slender, slender. Okay, the cylinder has 2 faces. Okay, 2 faces and one surface, 0 edges, 0 corners. 2 faces, 1 surface, 0 edges, 0 corners. Okay, a cylinder. The cylinder like the cola can, like the Pringles, like the basket or the bin or the trash. Okay, the next shape is called sphere. 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 Okay, sphere. Sphere has 0 face, 0 edges, 0 corners, only one surface. Okay, 0 in everything, but only one surface, one curved surface. Okay, this is the sphere like the ball, like the orange, like the apple. Okay, the next shape is the squared pyramid. Squared pyramid. Why do we call it squared? We can call it pyramid because its base, the base of the pyramid is like square. Okay, so it's called squared pyramid. Squared pyramid. The squared pyramid has 5 faces, 5 corners, and 8 edges. 5 faces, 5 corners, 8 edges. 5 faces, 5 corners, 8 edges. Okay. And the last shape is the cone. The cone has no corners. It only has a pointy top. Okay. No edges, one curved face, and one circular flat base. The base, one base, one face, no edges, no corners. One base, one face, no corners, no edges. Okay, this is the cone, and these are some of the shapes that look like the cone. Okay, now let's play naming the shapes. What shape am I? I have no flat faces. I have no straight edges. I have just one curved face. No faces, no edges. One curved face. What shape am I? Well done. I'm a sphere. Okay, what shape am I? I have 6 flat square faces. Square faces. I have 12 edges. I have 8 corners. What shape am I? Yes, exactly. Exactly. I'm a cube. What shape am I? I have one curved face, 2 flat circular faces. Huh? 2 flat circular bases. Sorry, bases. It's bases. Okay. What shape am I? Yes, exactly. I'm a cylinder. How many edges does a square pyramid have? A square pyramid. Can you remember? It has 5 faces, 5 corners, and how many edges? 8 edges. Yes, excellent. How many faces of a cube? faces of the cube from 1 to 6. Okay, yes, excellent. 6. Okay, and this was our lesson for today. Hope to enjoy it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. See you next time, inshallah.